Hello! Today, what we will introduce is Polygon Arsenal. With this kit, you will build great partitions like polystyrene. Okay, now let's import the asset. This asset includes almost all the partitions you need to create games, including meshes, beams, and another impact, boom, and laser effects. Let's check now. Okay, let's check. Firstly, there was since you can see all the demos here. For better view, I suggest you drag all the themes here. Yes, and then we can use we can check them very simply like this. You can see the files very nice. Now let's this smokes, the black holes, the zooms, portal, and some other files, rings, and items. For this one, you can also change it with your needs. You can see here renderer. There was models here. You can see there was shadows, model, render views, tissues here. Let's see, where is it? Oh no! Oh, this one. It's renderer. Oh, here. So we can change it. If you have your own model, you can change it very simply. You see, it's really cool. Oh, we can change any meshes to it. So this is a cool feature. Let's go next. Oh, the shields. They're really nice, and I really like the spikes. Boom! So you can make a great ice effect with it, and the tornadoes. It's really nice, well built. And this one is the school faces, and the blood effect, the healing effect. And there was another beams and missions. You can check here, like this. It's tomb and nice. You can switch to anywhere, like this. And the missions here. Boom, boom, boom. Really nice. You can switch. Fireballs. All the missions are launched with physical force, so you can do this by using your own add force method to launch all the missions, and when they attack, touch any box creator, they will boom impact. Like this is lightning. Cool. Grenade. And really nice, and a lot of effects. This is nuke. and the black hole is stylized. Plasma, frontals, sniper shoots, and acid, lava, water mission, spikes, ice missions. Oh, this one is very cool. Bullet. Okay. And there was a second demo. Here. Let's see. The files and this one is all the total ones here. Yes. And the demo 3. Amazing. Now let's go into the partitions to see the performance of it, and I will let you know how to make it faster for mobile games. For example, let's show just one. For example, for this effect, by default, the author use all the maxed partitions to 1000. So if you want to make it better performance, I think it's always a nice effect for you to change the max partitions. Commonly, if you change all the thing to 100 or 200, you can see it's okay. But if you make it less, you will see the effect is not so good. So it depends on you. Always you can try this one and you can change. You can see when it is 1000 and 200, there is not much difference. So you can save all the partition effect by yourself. And another thing is, for some of the partitions, maybe I should change one. Let's see. Not this one. Let's see this one of those. Let's see. You can see there was a shining effect and there was some lights. You know, light cost CPU a lot, so I suggest you turn off the light, because you will see that the effect will not be much reduced. So always remember to turn off all the lights so you can save performance. Okay, it's small tips for you. And often we will take care of all the textures because in almost some strategy games in mobile, the textures will cost a lot of memories and disk space that will increase your app package. So one way to do it often I was to select the root photo and filter textures in this polygon, and you can see all the texture from the auth is 2K. It's a bit some is 1K, some is 500. You know, you can always I suggest you to turn it to this one or this one, they will not change the quality a lot, but will save you a lot of disk space for your app. So it means your user will be more likely to download the apps if you have smaller package size. So you can try to change the size. Depends on your needs. Okay, that's another one. Now let's take a look into the codes about how to launch the missions. If you want to build your own mission, we will check this one. Yes, there was mission launch script here. We can say Polygon, yes, file mission here. Remember, if you want to send your own mission, you will look at this one. First, you should instantiate your mission object, then make it look at your target and simply add force. Then the mission will fly, and when the mission touch, let's see, that was there projectiles. Let's see. When the mission runs, and when it just let's see here. When it hit the target, it will play the impact effect. Then it will show like boom effect here. And when it was shoot, the model partition will be instant. So you can see there was effect like this. Let me show you. For example, this one. You can see. Yes. So you can always launch your own mission according to this Polygon projectile script. It's really a nice reference for you to make. Okay. Finally, if you check into the ones, all the prefabs are well organized in the prefabs, so you can simply drag them in your sims. Maybe like buffer. Oh yes. Okay. That's all for the introduction of the Polygon Arsenal. Follow us and you will have more tutorials we bring to you. Thank you for watching.